like this. And after I saved the entire city from that overgrown slug!
Pardon? Who saved the city? Are we forgetting who got rid of the cheese? Moi!
Sure, after I told you to.
And I saved the princess.
Big deal! The world's full of princesses!
I suppose you could have done better.
With your powers, I certainly could do better!
Oh, you think so?
I know so.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah!
I'd like to see you try. I'm tempted to loan you my powers just to watch you make a fool of yourself.
You can do that?
Of course.
You're on! You give me your powers for one day, and I'll show you who's the champ and who's the chump.
You've got it. One day. On one condition. You must uphold the code of the genie.
For phenomenal cosmic power, I'd uphold the Alps. Lay it on me, baby! Of course, surgery requires a second opinion.
Do not fear. This is science!
I feel great! Every feather of my being is charged with energy!
So, this is what it's like to be mortal.
You know, you don't realize how much effort goes into flying until you don't have to flap anymore. Now, to whip up a treasure just slightly smaller than the pyramids. Ahem!
Remember the code. The code clearly states, no big treasures.
Go! Then what is the point?
The point of a genie's life is service to others. And the Union is very vigilant.
Oh, yeah, like you never materialize yourself a 12-pound hot fudge sundae.
Shh! You want everyone to know?
I rest my case. So what if I indulge myself? What could happen? I get the dream. Shush. You ask a simple question.
Now that the ground rules are in place, let's see some politically correct magic.
Okay, stand back. I need a volunteer. Oh, monkey man.